Hi, I'm Peyton. I'm going to show you guys how to saddle up. First, you need a saddle pad. You're going to put this up on here. You're going to put it higher than you normally would because the saddle will always bring it down a little bit more. Then you need your saddle. This is a Kincaid saddle. So what you're going to do is you're going to push this up like this. And right now it's probably pinching her. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull this up a little bit, okay? And then she has airspace going into her withers. And now we're doing the girth. So here at Forest View, we do the girths left to right. The elastic goes on the left, and this goes on the right. So left, right. And what you're going to do with your saddle pad is this is right here. So you're going to put your billets through. Can you come here for a second so they can see better? You're going to put this through this little like latch right here. Okay? And then you're just going to put this onto the first. And the first hole, the first and second, no. And then this doesn't reach on mine, so we'll just, leave that alone. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. So as you can see, this girth is a little big still. What we're going to do is we are going to lift this up like this. And we're just going to pull up. And I know some people say one hole at a time. But we don't do that. We just do it until we can't get it up there anymore. And I actually try really hard to put it up there, so that means your saddle is ready for you to ride. So I think this girth might be a little too big on her, but that's okay. I could always switch out this girth if I don't like it. So right now you can see that I'm doing the technique that most people see. It's just because I have to check this every once in a while to make sure. So that should be good. Now you're going to just throw that like over that, but normally you do more careful. This isn't my saddle, so I'm just going to bring down my my stirrups here, and they're perfect. So there's that, and then you're just going to do this on the other side. So now it's on to bridling. I'm going to bridle her, and then I'm going to put her back in her halter because I'm not yet riding. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your bridle. And sometimes she can be an awful big poop and not take the bridle. So first what we're going to do is we're going to pull this big chunk of metal. It's that safety release. And we're going to take this like this. And we're going to throw it like over her neck so that she can't go anywhere. And then, this bridle is okay for her. We are going to take the reins, and we're going to do that. Okay, and then I'll put this on a horse first. It would be very bad. Okay.
Can I move over to where we can possibly see what you're doing?
Yes. So today I'm not going to do that because this bridle is not working with me. So you're just going to bring this up to here, and you're going to feed it into her mouth. Take it. And see how right now she's not taking it. She just took it because you were nice about it. You have to be nice. And notice how I'm dipping one ear in at a time. Most people don't like to do that. Most people just go a little crazy, like, just, like, with, they just normally, like, put that in or something. It's not right. You don't do it like that. So there's different bridles that you can use, but we use all different types of bridles. Let's see here. Sometimes we'll use a Western bridle with an English saddle. It's just crazy. So now we're just going to unhook this, and then it falls like that. And now you're ready to ride. When you're walking your horse, always, like, make sure you're able to steer your horse. And also, I forgot to show you guys how to do your throat latch. Grandma, can you come here? So, for your throat